Yeah, the truck rolled out of Astrotech facility early this morning.
NASA have announced the next phase of their exploration of space. Less than a week after closing the Space Shuttle program, the Juno probe begins its journey to the launch pad at Cape Canaveral. And scientists told reporters about the mission to the solar system's giant.
We launch on August 5th and we head to Jupiter, and the main goals of Juno are to study the origin of Jupiter, and it represents giant planets, as we know, around our star, as around other stars, and it holds a lot of key secrets, which I'll go through a little bit of that, on how we formed the solar system, where Jupiter came from, and also the rest of the solar system. Of course, start off leaving the Earth, and you'll see in this animation Juno there with its giant solar arrays. We're cartwheeling through space. We're spinning about 2 RPM, two revolutions per minute. And you see the beautiful clouds here. There are zones and belts, different colors. There's a giant red spot. We've been observing this giant storm for over 300 years. Another of our objectives is to study the polar magnetosphere. Because we're going over the poles, we're perfectly suited to study the great aurora, the strongest aurora in the entire solar system.
What we do is we launch from Earth in August. We swing out past the orbit of Mars. We do a couple of, we call them deep space maneuvers, to fire the engine, target us to come back in by the Earth, and we do a flyby of Earth at about 500 kilometers in October 2013, and then we slingshot ourselves out towards Jupiter, arriving in July 2016.